Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Dynamic Cables were locked at 5% upper circuit of 457 rupees per share on the BSE on October 11 after the company secured order worth 96 rupees crore from Northern Railways. In the past 3 months, the stock of this small-cap wire and cable manufacturer shot up 27%, as against 1% rise in the Sensex benchmark. Earlier, Dynamic Cables shares hit 52-week high of 615 rupees per share on August 7, 2023. In an exchange filing on October 11, the company stated that the new work order from Northern Railway entails supply of PVC-insulated armoured unscreened underground railway signalling copper conductor cables worth 95.91 rupees crore. The delivery of the said order is scheduled to be within 6 months. URGO Capital's shares went up by 5% on October 11 after the company announced a 73% year-on-year increase in its assets under management. For LARK shares exchanged hands which are higher than the stock's weekly average of 2 LARK. In a post-market hour exchange filing on October 10, the NBFC company updated its financial performance numbers in the second quarter of financial year 2024. Overall AUM of the company rose to 7,590 rupees crore, posting a 12% increase from the previous quarter. Gross loan origination for the quarter increased to 2,500 rupees crore, increasing by 52% year-on-year. Similarly, net loan origination increased to 1,470 rupees crore, rose by 34% year-on-year. Shares of SHALBY Limited rallied over 6% on October 11. Ahead of the company's meeting with Swiss healthcare investor HBM Partners on October 17. The chatter on dealer circles is that a stake buy could be on the cards. However, SHALBY in an exchange filing on October 9 had said, no unpublished price-sensitive information pertaining to the company will be shared at this meeting. Promoter and promoter group hold 74.12% stake in SHALBY. HBM Partners, founded in 2001, has about $2 billion in assets under management with investments in companies like 1mg, Antiva Biosciences, and Werewolf Therapeutics. MCX touched a 52-week high of 2,179.45 rupees on October 11 after the company's announcement of shifting to a new platform excited investors. The stock was trading 3.28% up at 2,168.75 rupees at 11:49 a.m. on the National Stock Exchange. MCX plans to go live with the new commodity derivatives platform from October 16, said the company in an exchange filing dated October 11. The mock session for the commodity derivative platform will be held a day before on October 15. The company said that members are encouraged to actively participate in the proposed mock to test and get acquainted with the new application interface. A detailed note on the same is available on MCX's official website. LAXMI Organic shares jumped more than 10% on October 11 after the company raised 259 rupees crore through qualified institutional placement. The company's board determined and approved the allocation of 96.25 lakh equity shares at an issue price of 269.20 rupees, a discount of 4.97% to the floor price of 283.27 rupees. The QIP issue opened on October 5 and closed October 10. The paid-up equity share capital of the company has gone up from 53.1 rupees crore consisting of 26.55 crore equity shares to 55 rupees crore consisting of 27.52 crore shares. Shares of SUNTECK Realty jumped over 4% on October 11 as international brokerage firm Jefferies raised the price target by 33% to 555 rupees from 415 rupees. The call comes after SUNTECK's recent move to create a joint platform with the International Finance Corporation for an affordable and mid-income housing platform in the Mumbai metropolitan region. The revised target price implies a 23% upside from the October 10 closing price. Shares of Vodafone Idea rallied over 7% on October 11, extending gains from the previous session. The 9% rise in 2 days came after the company moved the Supreme Court regarding its adjusted gross revenue, with the Apex Court agreeing to consider the matter. In its curative petition, The telecom major has stated that the penalty, and the interest on the penalty levied by the Supreme Court's 2019 judgment are so substantial, that they threaten the existence of the company. Vodafone Idea added that the penalty and interest on penalty are higher than the principal amount itself, which is why the telco is appealing for a reconsideration of the judgment. Shares of ANDHRA paper jumped 13% to a fresh lifetime high of 675 rupees per share on BSE on October 11 after ace investor Radhakishan Damani paired a 0.3% stake in the counter. In the past 3 months, the stock of this small-cap company has surged 37% against a 1% rise in the Sensex benchmark. As per the latest shareholding pattern of ANDHRA paper, Damani-backed Brightstar Investment held a 1% stake in the company, which totaled 3.9 lakh equity shares. Earlier, in the June-ended quarter, Brightstar held a 1. Paka Limited in daily time frame is trading around 260.50 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 1,296 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 231.65, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 71.53. Varanium Cloud Limited in daily time frame is trading around 229.85 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.54 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 176.10, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 82.80. Uninfo Telecom Services Limited in daily time frame is trading around 37.55 points with a change of 19.97% and is trading with a net volume of around 608.457 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 29.45, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 79.59.